$400 million loss. A very prominent hedge fund investor, Bill Ackman, lost $400 million in 2022. And story goes something like this. Amid the massive sell-off of Netflix stock triggered by the streamer's first quarter misfire, billionaire hedge fund manager Bill Ackman liquidated his entire holdings in the company, citing new uncertainty about Netflix's long-term business. Ackman's Pershing Square Holdings had acquired about 3.1 million Netflix shares in January 2022, previously worth around $1.1 billion. On Thursday, less than 3 months later, the firm sold that stake, resulting in about a $400 million loss on the investment. In a letter to Pershing shareholders, Ackman cited Netflix's plans to adopt lower-cost, ad-supported streaming plans and to try to monetize an estimated 100 million password-sharing users as introducing new X factors that threw off his original analysis of the company's prospects. Ackman wrote, "While Netflix's business is fundamentally simple to understand, in light of recent events, we have lost confidence in our ability to predict the company's future prospects with a sufficient degree of certainty." Ackman said Netflix's moves to modify its subscription-only model to be more aggressive in going after non-paying customers and to incorporate advertising are sensible, but said that it is extremely difficult to predict their impact on the company's long-term subscriber growth, future revenues, operating margins, and capital intensity. Netflix surprised investors by posting a net loss of 200,000 customers for first quarter, its first decline since 2011, and forecast a 2 million drop for the second quarter. That led to the biggest ever percentage decline in Netflix shares, which dropped 35.1% Wednesday and wiped out $54 billion in market value. Based on management's track record, we would not be surprised to see Netflix continue to be a highly successful company and an excellent investment from its current market value, Ackman concluded in the letter. That said, we believe the dispersion of outcomes has widened to a sufficiently large extent that it is challenging for the company to meet our requirements for a core holding. Pershing had snapped up the stake in Netflix after the stock plunged in the wake of its also disappointing fourth quarter 2021 earnings report, in which it came up short on subscriber ads and lowered guidance for sub growth. At the time, Ackman had said, the January stock sell-off made Netflix look like a compelling buying opportunity. Ackman's acquisition of Netflix stock came after Pershing acquired a 7.1% stake in Universal Music Group in August and upped it to 10% the following month. The hedge fund manager had seen a common link between UMG and Netflix's business models focused on streaming media, but guess he was wrong. So the lesson is, even biggest investor make huge mistakes.
Please like and subscribe.